Hello woodworkers, welcome back to another workshop vlog. So yesterday I went to a local gentleman about 45 minutes away from my workshop, and I found him on eBay, you could say, and he was offering walnut planks there, and they are pretty nice. I bought 5 of these for 550 euros in total. This makes about 650 to 700 dollars, you could say. And yeah, we are going to basically put them out of the car. They are extremely big, so this is going to be a hassle. And then I want to take a look at the grain, meaning I'm going to sand them a tiny little bit with an 80 grit, and then we are going to see how it pops under the influence of water. Yeah, that's going to be the workshop vlog. Hope you are going to enjoy. So the wood in itself was already pretty inexpensive, I would say. I don't know how much mass they actually have, how many kilograms, but it's a lot. It's seriously a lot. And I want to see if there's a lot of hardwood in there, such that I get a nice dark table from the walnut. But do you know why they are extra inexpensive this time? Because those parts that I have are actually book matched. 4 out of 2 pieces are book matched, and if you don't know what book matched is, you're going to see the beauty in a second. Let me bring it up to the desk, to my new workbench, as you have seen in the last woodworking vlog, and you're going to be surprised how freaking good this is going to look. So that was quite a lot of work, but I got it done. I'm already out of breath. So book matched means that they are both from the same tree, but have been cut in such a way that they are mirror images of each other. Now just imagine turning this book matched piece into a river table of some sort. That's going to be the dining table. I'm going to see how I'm going to make it exactly, but that's already pretty beautiful that they are book matched. Oh, looking so nice. That would be a pretty damn thick dining table. Oh goodness. Let me sand this beer, both beers, on the sides that are up, and then we are going to water pop them a tiny little bit just to see how they look. Alright, let's see how it's going to pop. I'm pretty stoked. Yeah, that is pretty nice. I mean, it's European walnut. This is what you have to consider. So it's not as dark as the nice black walnut you get from America, which I also have lying around in my attic. But other than that, holy shit, that is looking good. That is such a nice crate. Holy fuck. Let's see how that one is going to look and then on the other one. And now even better than mentioned before, it's not only a lot of hardwood. It's not only book match, but it's also curly. Do you see this figure here? This is what happens when the tree grows a tiny little bit degenerate, you could say. This is when you get this curly pattern. And in the normal case, this makes the wood even more expensive. So yeah, I got really lucky. And the curl actually, yeah, it's on the sides here at the moment. Let's see how it's going to progress throughout the wood. Holy bonkers! Oh my goodness! Woo! That is... the core! It's ridiculous! Seriously! And the curl is literally everywhere. All of this is curly. This is crazy. This is like totally premium. What the hell? What kind of wood did I get? That is amazing. That is so amazing. Outright ridiculous. Can't wait to get to this one right here now. Oh. I seriously don't know what to say. This is the best deal I have ever made when it comes to wood. Like, the product that I got for this price that's not normal. The curl, it's just everywhere in here. It's so beautiful that the figure on this one is even more significant than on the other one. It's crazy, it's seriously crazy. Even though I got a tiny little bit of rot here at this point, but this doesn't matter because I can surely stabilize this one using a bit of clear epoxy. But holy hell, those two are ridiculous. Now for the next three. Have very much hardwood on this part, but I actually really like the pattern of the hardwood. It looks like a flame or something of that sort. It looks really, really good. Once again, very curly where the branch went. Yeah, but still pretty satisfied. This one right here would have been the very cheap one, which I basically got for free. I got two of these for free, you could say, 1.5. Yeah, crazy. Still pretty nice. Really liking this one. Oh yeah, here's the curly pattern everywhere. Really good tree. So this one is bent by quite a big margin, so later I have to do a lot of flattening with my router, but yeah, I still want to see what it looks like. This is probably the last one I'm going to use in the project, I suppose. Ooh. Yep, nothing less to expect. Absolutely stunning grain. The hardwood is just absolutely golden on those pieces. He had a very, very nice tree in his garden or at his lumber yard. Yeah, that is looking so fine. So satisfied with my order. But yeah, well, that's basically it for the workshop vlog today. Just a short and sweet workshop vlog about the new wood I have ordered. And I'm really satisfied, as mentioned before several times. And you can probably imagine why I'm so satisfied. The price for these was extremely low for so many kilograms of walnut wood. It's ridiculous. And I can't wait to create, on the one hand, an office desk, a height adjustable one, out of two of these, and also our dining table for our future house. So yeah, stay tuned for these videos, and I hope you did enjoy what you have seen today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also link to the workshop vlog latest in the description. And up until next video, I wish you guys a flammable day. Ciao!